Good morning, guys. I was gonna say I can see the light at the end of the tunnel for spring. No, I'm gonna show you. It's freezing. My hands are red. He just finished shoveling and I had to come in. What are you doing? Hey. Guys, that's a lot of snow. Look at it. Oh, it's great. And I thought that spring was coming. If you can see me right now because my screen is not flipped up, but I got some stuff done today. Matthew's birthday is on Sunday, so I went out and I got his gift and I'm gonna make him cookies tomorrow. And then tomorrow I want to go to the mall, but if the weather is bad, I don't know if I'm gonna bother. But I think this snow is stopping. Maybe not. I hope I'm in focus right now. I don't know. Sorry, guys. So yeah, I want to go to Old Navy because they have really cute spring earrings. Although it did not look like spring today. But it's coming. Just a few more weeks, I hope. And maybe I want to look at another store. I don't know. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Matthew's here, and they're going crazy.
Kiss his dirty wart ass. You're so gross. Stop.
Yeah, you
got it.
Yeah, over here.
Right there.
Stop that.
That's mine. Don't need.
There's all the snow on it.
He had it out. Look, see the hole in the snow? Your water bottle was in there.
The other one? No.
Don't touch my stuff. Oh, I see the hole. Don't touch my stuff.
They're gonna get big. Let's get red meat. Okay.
I don't know how the lighting is again because it's nighttime again, obviously, but I wanted to end the vlog, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and seeing how much snow we got. I think my dad said we got about 30+ centimeters. I think we're supposed to get more. I don't know if it's a lot more, but on the weather app it shows more coming. Also, I think I'm getting sick again. I hope not, knock on wood. But I feel like I might be. and my throat's bothering me and stuff. But Friday I go to the doctor for my neck. Hopefully it's nothing. I think it is nothing, but better safe than sorry. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you live in a warmer climate, I'm jealous of you right now. And I will see you next time. But don't forget, spread kindness. Bye guys.